Hello, my name is METİN-Arıdaşır. This is 208th part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, electron motion form is the origin of inverse square law. 1. Meta-sensation perception matter has eternal, intrinsic, specific, regular, perpetually repetitive motion forms. These motion forms regulate our universes. All laws originated from these type motion forms. Some of these motion forms are spherical, ring-shaped, cyclical, perpetual repetitive, time hidden in itself, electron motion forms. As the intrinsic motion forms of meta-sensation perception matter, electron motion forms are perpetual, cyclical, repetitive producers and propagators of intertwined, interconnected, interacted spherical ring-shaped waves. Each point of electron motion form surface or its successive wave surface has a point energy, point wavelength, point velocity, point mass. According to my theory and my formulas, each point energy, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. According to my theory and my formulas, each point energy and each point mass of each newly born, okay, newly born spherical wave surface will decrease inversely proportional to squared wave number. Yes, like this and square. This is one of my formulas, okay? In motion electron motion form sample that I draw. Yes, according to my theory and my formulas, each point energy and each point mass of each newly born spherical wave surface will decrease inversely proportional to squared wave number in speed of light direction, point energy, speed of light direction, point mass. Not remember, linear velocity direction is different, okay? That I put forth. If you want to watch, you can watch from my former videos. Since the photon that I defined as any inseparable point of this spherical surface is not exempt from this process, a single photon obeys the energy decreasing process. Since the friction, void, density, and dilution concepts are invalid in meta-sensation perception matter, in meta-sensation perception matter there is no friction, There is no void, emptiness, nothingness, no. There is no density, there is no dilution, okay. And since increasing the volume, yes, this is a volume. Think of three-dimensional between this spherical wave and this spherical wave. And compare with this volume between this spherical wave and this spherical wave, and compare with this and this volume between two waves, okay, different volumes. This means different adiabatic mediums, okay, but same wavelength. Don't confuse, same wavelength. Yes, since the friction, void, density, and dilution concepts are invalid in metasensation perception matter, and since increasing the volume between each newly produced and propagated spherical wave and previously produced and propagated wave, not because of enlarging and diluting of waveform, but because of increasing volume of adiabatic medium between the two successive waves, in spite of wavelength is not changing, point energy and point mass will decrease inversely proportional to squared number of newly born wave, squared wave number. Yes. Here, this is point mass. This is inversely proportional. Mass divided by 4, second, okay, wave. Mass divided by squared 3, third wave, okay. Mass, point mass, photon mass, point mass of wave decreases. Energy, point energy decreases. Inversely proportional wave number. Eventually, electron motion form is the origin of inverse square law. And light, a single photon, mass wave, gravity, etc. follow the law, follow this law. And this law has wavelength. Don't forget this. Have a good day. See you later.